Hey guys, we received this Wi-Fi 5G Wi-Fi 6 CPE router for test and try. It's a dual band, dual SIM card, 5G cellular router, 4x4 MIMO. It's a whole home Wi-Fi 6 mesh system. So this we can just unbox and see. So now we will just install. This is the power adapter that comes with this manual, but this is a straightforward process, so should be okay. So now let's just open this router and see. Let's try this. And how is this thing? So there is this mesh, so to release the heat there are LAN and WLAN. So you can connect this with the WLAN, or you can also connect the LAN devices with it. There are two SIM cards, reset and everything. This one. So let's just put in the power adapter. So put in the SIM. So be careful while putting in the SIM, it should be in the right direction, then make a click sound. Once this everything is put and you put in the power, this will take some time to boot up, recognize the SIM and get the connection. So meanwhile, of course you can get in a laptop and see. Um, so I just connected this because it will show up in the Wi-Fi, in your Wi-Fi range. Password, everything is provided on the router, and due to security I cannot display that, so I'm just doing it. Now the other thing is the connection speed depends on your SIM and your network in your locality. So here it have a 4G connection, and of course my network is not that great, but still I can show you the speed testing, so that this particular router is connected, or laptop is connected with this router. It is showing up the speed, the lights are on, so this is working nicely. It's fast and connected fine with the 5 gigahertz or the 2.4 gigahertz connection, and you can see the speed as well. So this is a great router, and it's a mesh router that can be connected, and also like the router for everything, and is a nice I will say, and you can also put in this lens. So this is a great router for your SIM card, and just to produce this stuff.